Software interface explanation of 3-camera skin tester. Spectrum image. A spectrum image analysis. If a mode is selected during skin tester, a 180 degrees full face shoot can be taken at once. On the upper right, you can switch between facial image from different angles with one click, and freely switch between quantitative indicator data of different dimensions of the face in the same view. You can also view corresponding product solutions. White light detect problems visible, such as skin color, surface color spots, acne, wrinkles, and pores. Positive polarization light stress the optical reflection of the skin surface and can detect sebum and skin texture. Negative polarization light. Through the cross-polarized lens group, the direct reflected light is weakened, and the skin surface sensitivity can be detected. UV light. At the wavelength of 365 nanometer, it can detect UV spots, acne pigmentation, and porphyrin in the deep layer of the skin. Blue light. Under the wavelength of 405 nanometer, it can detect the distribution of acne and bacteria in deep skin. Ooze light, a special medical band light source which can detect the deep pigmented lesions, deep pigmentation, vitiligo, deep pigmentation, albinism, as well as fluorescent agents and heavy metal residues in the skin. Hemoglobin map. It is a composite spectrum analyzed by AI intelligence combined with algorithms, mainly used to detect the deep sensitivity, red blood streaks, and deep inflammation of the skin. Thermal map. Composite spectrogram are mainly used to detect the areas of increased hemoglobin in the deep layer of the skin, as well as inflammation in the deep layer of the skin. Skin analysis. 9-dimension testing and 80 indicators. Each indicator can be toggled in the upper right corner of the image to view the quantified data of the left and the right face. Marking function. Click to hide the algorithm composition area and display the organized image. Local magnification function. After clicking, you can see different levels of skin problems with magnification through a small magnifying glass. Sebum, divided into T area and U area. The yellow area represents the quantitative area of the sebum secretion. The darker the yellow color is, the more sebum is secreted, and the lighter the color is, the less sebum is secreted. The proportion area reflects the proportion area of sebum on the face, and the darker the color of sebum, the higher the density of sebum, and thus the higher the secretion of sebum. The quantitative indicators are divided into 5 levels. Grade 1 green, skin is in normal condition. Grade 2 blue represents skin status preference. Grade 3 yellow represents skin status pre-warning needs to be strengthened. Grade 4 orange represents symptomatic care for skin status deviation. Grade 5 red represents poor skin status, representing the need for disease course care. Expert for sebum and skin color. Other indicators are explained according to these 5 grades. Sebum. 1 and 2 represent low sebum secretion. 3 represent normal sebum secretion. 4 and 5 represent high sebum secretion. Each indicator has quantitative problem analysis, precautions, and recommended of nursing plan. The recommended plan will display the nursing plan corresponding to the indicator level. Expand all to view other levels of care plans. Background input of products and nursing items. Primary care, intermediate care, advanced care. It can use mobile phone to scan the QR code to view the report, or use computer to access background website and connect to a printer to print the comprehensive report. Wrinkles. Use RGB white light to take pictures of wrinkles visible, and the green area is the quantitative area of the wrinkles. The higher the quantization level, the more serious the wrinkles, and there is a quantization results of number of wrinkles. Skin texture. The uneven texture area represents that the skin has fine lines, which is lack of water and collagen. Contrast. Wrinkles and skin texture can be compared. Aging trend chart. AI simulates the state of the skin after aging for the next 5 to 10 years and compares it with the standard maps after skin care, giving customer a sense of crisis. Stains. Visible color spot. The green identification area is quantitative area. Metabolic plaques. Spots that are separated from the basal layer and not metabolized to the circle. The black spots are UV pigmentation. Pigment. Brown maps from the composite spectroscopy and the AI algorithm, RBX image analysis technology, generated by Ooze, clearly see the distribution and deposition of melanin in skin dermis. It is analyzed the range of pigments by melanin, egg, reunion, irregular, large slices, acne marks, spots, scars, etc. Contrast. stains, metabolic plaques, pigment, different skin levels, color spots and particular layers, and ratchet metabolic spots contrast, pigment contrast to the base layer. Spot train chart, RBX image analysis technology. You can clearly see the distribution and stock of melanins from epidermis to leather pigment, which is conducive to us to judge the trend and the potential problems of the next 5 to 10 years. Pores. The black circle is a large quantitative manifestation of pores, identifying the number of pores by the AI algorithm. Blackhead only quantify the blackheads of the nose areas. The blue dot area is the blackhead quantization area. The AI algorithm quantify the number quantization. Contrast, pores, blackhead detail. Pore train chart, implementation algorithm mode, and superpixel technology using a large number of high-quality image data training. In the image, circular point, spore diameter is pore expansion area, which is beneficial to us to determine the trend and potential problems of pores. Acne, green, yellow, orange, red marking box in the naked eye is the quantitative results of acne. Quantify the number of acne cases according to the quantified listed in the box. Porphyrins, light red fluorescent points are porphyrin quantitating. Porphyrins are metabolites of bacteria in pores. The higher the porphyrin content, the more easily produced bacteria. Skin tone, a quantitative grade index obtained by quantitative analysis of 5 skin colors, according to the characteristics of skin color in the state of nature: light, grade 1 green, transparent white, grade 2 blue, fairness, grade 3 yellow, uneven skin tone, grade 4 orange, darkness, grade 5 red, swarthy. Sensitivity, surface sensitive, red blood wire, acne marking. Quantify sensitive features of the surface and deep layer of skin using AI algorithms. The area proportional to the density, the deeper color represent the sensitivity of the sensitivity is quantified. Some side face are sensitive or red blood and acne marks, and the face cannot be seen, and the side face indicator image can be used. It can be accurate scientific symptomatic care. Hemoglobin map. View the deep sensitivity, acne marking skin, red blood, inflammation, red blood wire 4, dot, line, mesh, block. Thermal map. Deep skin inflammation, high hemoglobin, contact in sensitive areas. Inflammation, quantified areas is yellow and red. Contrast, sensitive, deep inflammation can be viewed. Sensitive train chart. This figure is processed by the algorithm by cross-polarizing light image processing, mainly showing the regional distribution of the spermidine red pigment in the skin. You can increase the hidden capillary inspection, sensitivity, inflammation, and red blood, and the visual contrast effect is stronger. It is conducive to judging sensitivity trends and potential problems in the next 5 to 10 years. The fluorescent is viewed by oocyte, and heavy matter are viewed by UV light, but very few people have it and have not done algorithm quantification. It can analyze it by looking at the pictures. Moisture, detecting the skin water content. The smaller the value of the skin, the less water content. The higher the value of the skin, the higher the skin water content. The water content of the skin is 40% normal. Less than 40% belongs to a lack of water. Skin types. China's first skin tester profile is divided into Baumann skin classification, targeting oil, dry, wrinkled, tight, sensitive, resistant, pigment, non-pigmented. 8 kinds of skin layouts in accordance with Asian people are quantified as mood as quantified, achieving precision diagnosis, precise treatment effects. Comprehensive report, customer basic information, composite indicators, comprehensive skin test results, considerations. Skincare advice. Recommended program. Show the level care solution corresponding to the indicator level. Expand all of the other level care solutions. Background can be entered into product and care items, primary care, intermediate care, advanced care. It can use mobile phone to scan the QR code to view the report or use computer to enter the printer to print a composition report. Comparative analysis. The effect of the product and projects before and after treatment of the care. Quantitative map, pattern map, data graph, multi-dimensional map. Quantitative map. Compare the percentage of each indicator map to quantify data. Pattern map. Differentiation of the surface spectrum of different time period and the deep spectrum. Quantitative map and the pattern map can be compared by line, triangle, rectangular, GERD. Magnify positioning. No positioning can be deleted without painting. Data graph differentiation of the efficacy of the overall skincare of different time sections. The same customer field data graph can be seen from nearly 3 months to nearly 1 year or all skincare results. There are 10 indicators to view the data graph or the same latitude indicator. Multi-dimensional map, image differentiation of the efficacy of the overall skincare of different time periods. Customer archive, archive management. The field customer can find member profiles by phone and name, and the field customer have entered from the client field. Select customers to enter the member fields, and it also can directly enter the comparative analysis, or you can directly enter the intelligent skin profile interface. The same customer secondary detection designation point can be clicked. AI fixed point accelerate function. The first shooting detection will display the first shooting of the personal image ghosting, and the strength of the ghosting can be adjusted according to the needs of the operator, and the fields can be selected from the different times, and the weight of photographic vein is made. Better comparison before and after treatment. When you take a photo, only single face report is taken. You can click on the small camera logo icon, make the images of the other two faces. After taking the self-timer, it supposes the distribution of the skin stroke in the report. No need to rebuild view. Individual value reference. You can modify the user single detection indicator data after taking the photos. Adjust it, then you need to save. Comparison analysis can be used. Single item pre-adjustment. You can modify the customer single detection indicator data used to take adjustment of the previous set of the data before taking pictures. Comparison analysis can be used. Hidden settings. Skin analysis indicators that do not need to be detected can be hidden. After hidden, will not appear again when you test. You can open it again. You can confirm the modification after you choose. User feedback. You can write feedback during the use of problems. Headquarters will be collected and will optimize the later instrument iterative upgrade. Modify password. You can modify the account password. Follow the prompts to operator in order. Logging out. Account logging out. Turn off the app.